this video, I'm going to show you how to clear host cache in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we are going to clear host cache, and this will boost your Chrome performance. It will boost your activities on the Chrome, and it will make your Chrome to load very fast. So please subscribe if you find it useful. So you are going to launch your Chrome. Then you are going to go to the URL at the top there. Then you are going to write Chrome : / then net -internals, then /, then hit on enter. So it will land you on this interface. So on your left you are going to see some options. You are going to click on DNS. Then you are going to see clear host cache. So just click on it, and by doing so you'll be able to clear your host cache. And if you do not see this one, then it means that you need to update. Now in order to update your Google Chrome, click on those 3 dots on your top right corner. Then you will go down, then you will highlight help, then go to about Google Chrome. Then you will see updating Chrome. So as you can see guys, it has finished to update. So you will just relaunch, then you will come back to this site and you will clear host. So that's really it guys. That's how to clear host cache on Google Chrome. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.